The chess club saved 19% of the money they raised selling books on how to play chess. If the club earned $780, how much did it save? Okay, so we need to find 19% of 780. 19% of 780. Let's do this. 19%, so 19 to 100, and the total here is 780, and we have here x. Use cross multiplication, so x equal 19 multiplied by 780 divided by 100. Remove the 0 and multiply 19 by 78. You will get 1482. And now place the point after one digit. So write this number and place the point after one digit. So the answer is 148.2. That's the value of x. And that's the saving. So the answer is D. In question number 30, find 30% of 279. Okay, we can use table for this. 30% of 279. Here we have x. So x is equal to, yes, cross multiplication, 279 multiplied by 30 divided by 100. Remove the 0. Then multiply 279 by 3. You will get 837. Place the point after one digit, so it's 83.7. And the answer is A. In 31, Deborah bought a computer for 25% of the list price. So this is discount. If the list price is $2,428, how much did Deborah spend? So we need to find what she spent. Of course, this is 25%. This is the discount. So what she spent is 75%. Why? Because the listed price is 100%. And we have discount of here means discount 25%. So what she is going to spend is 75. 100 minus 100% minus 25%, which is 75%. Okay, so 100% minus 25%, which is 75%. Let's find 75% of 2,428. Okay, 75, and the total here is 2,428, and we have here x. Use cross multiplication. So x is equal 75 multiplied by 2,428 and divided by 100. So it's 182,100 over 100. We can now remove the two zeros. and we will get 1821. So this is 1821. 1821. So the answer is C. And the next question. The O'Neill family had dinner at a restaurant. The total bill was $45. They want to leave a 20% tip. How much is the tip? So we need to find 20% of $45. Okay, let's do this. 20, 100, the total here 45, and we have here x. So x is equal to cross multiplication. 20 multiplied 45 over 100. And now 100 remove the 0 and 20 and divide by 2, it will be 1. And here also remove the 0 or divide by 20, it will be 5. And now divided 5 is 1, divided 5 is 9. So the answer is 9. Question 33. Yuri has $220 in savings account. If the savings account pays simple interest of 5%, how much interest will Yuri earn in 3 years? Okay. So we have here 5%. We need to find 5% of $220. And after that, multiply this by 3. So 5% of $220, that is 11. Multiply this by 3, because this is 3 years. It will be 33. So after 3 years, the simple interest will be $33. Question 34. We have here the bill, $34, and they tipped the waiter 20%. So we need to find the total. So now we will find 20% of $34. And add this to the original, which is 34. So this is the tips and this is the original, and we will add them to get the total. Okay, let's do this. We need to find 20% of 34. So 20, and here we have x. Use cross multiplication to find x. You should multiply 20 by 34 and divide by 100. So remove the 0, and 2 multiplied 34. 2 multiplied 4 is 8, and multiply it will be 6, and divided 10 it will place the point after one digit, so it's 6.8. Take this to the question. So we need to add 6.8 to 34. Add this, you will find the answer, which is 40.8. So the answer is 40.8. In question 35, so here we have $25 and tips 3.75, and we need to find the percent of 3.75 from the $25. Okay, so let's find this. We have, remember, we need to find 3.75 of $25. So this is dollars. And we need to find the percent. So the total of the percent is 100. Use cross multiplication. And now let's find x. So we will multiply 3.75 by 100 and divide by 25. Okay. So the answer is 15. And remember that 15 is x and x is percent. So remember that you have here 15 what? 15%. Don't forget to use the symbol of the percent. So the answer is D. We have here $155 and she tipped 10%. So we need to find 10% of 155 and add this to the original, which is $155. So we will find first 10% of 155. That's easy. It will be, with the point after one digit, it's 15.5. Add this to 155. And you will get the answer, which is 170.5. So the answer is $170.5, which is C. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Goodbye.